It is common in programming the use of a more complex if statement. Let's assume that we have three variables, a1, b3 and c0. Now we need to create a block that a is greater than b and at the same time b is greater than c. An easy solution is to create two if statements, if a is greater than b and if b is greater than c. Then we can print correct. Again we forget the column. Also we need to initialize a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 5. In this case we will not see anything. Okay, this is correct. On the other hand, if we write 10, 5 and 2, we will see the message correct. Okay, this seems fine. I think that we can find a better way to develop this code. For example, if a is greater than b and at the same time b is greater than c, then we can print correct. With that way we succeed the same results with only one line of code, and it is very easy and intuitive way of thinking. So this means that we need to have this and this true at the same time. Another example is if a is less than b or b less than c. In this statement, if the first one is true or the second one is true, we will go in the if statement. The final one is the not. For example, if you write not a less than b, you basically say a is greater or equal to b, because it is the complete opposite. We can try this. For example, instead of the first way, we can create this if statement. If a greater than b and b greater than c, print correct. As you can see here, we have two correct, because both this message and this message is printed. Also, it is very easy to write else print wrong. So with that way we can tell when it is both or none of them correct. Also we can try the or, if a less than b or b less than c, and again print a message, for example abc. Doesn't really matter. Again we forget the column. This is very classical mistake. So if a is less than b but b is greater than c, again we will go to the abc, because we have the or. One of them need to be true. Let's see the result. Okay, abc here, so this is correct. And here we have wrong, because we can't go to the first if statement, so we will definitely go to the second one.